I have this retractable multi-port wall charger here that was sent to me as a gift by the brand HATALKIN, and I'm super impressed with this. So you have the USB-C cable, so it's retractable. So all you do is pull it to your length desired, let it go, and look. And then to put it back, you just kind of pull it, and it goes all the way back. You have the lightning cable here as well for the older iPhones, and you have a USB-C right here port that you can charge another phone or your laptop. You have the USB-A port as well that you have here. You can charge again another phone or any other device that you need to plug in. Now this is a pretty cool part. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. So this is telling you the watts that each port is using. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect my phone, and you're gonna see, all right, so it's connected and it's charging, and you can see the watts or the wattage that it's using. It's using about 31, 32, it's fluctuating, which I thought it was pretty cool. I mean, none of these devices, you know, actually show you how much wattage you're using. So I just thought that was pretty cool. But overall, these retractable cables are actually pretty cool. You don't have to worry about, you know, folding your cable or wrapping it back up. You just pull it, put it back in, and you're all set.